Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to delete all of my photos on Facebook at once. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, open your Facebook profile, then click this three dot icon, activity log, your post, and now click on photos and videos, and here you will see all the photos which uploaded from your profile. To delete all the photo at once, simply click on this all, and here you can see all the photos have been selected. Now simply click on recycle bin. Items moved to recycle bin will be deleted after 30 days. Move to recycle bin. And here we can see all the photos have been deleted. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute, and don't forget to like and comment this video. Thank you.